Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix a non-loading Facebook newsfeed. Facebook's newsfeed is a vital component of the platform, connecting individuals across the globe. It facilitates the sharing of content, staying updated with the latest news and business promotion. Encountering any problem with the Facebook newsfeed not working can detract significantly from the app's overall user experience. In this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is check if the Facebook servers are down. If it's confirmed that the problem is server related, unfortunately there is nothing you can do but wait for Facebook to resolve the issue. And the next step is ensure network connectivity. An active and stable internet connection is crucial for Facebook functionality. Open Safari or any other web browser to check the internet and you are done. And the next step is relaunch the Facebook app. One simple solution is to close and reopen this Facebook app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause at the center. To view recent apps, find the Facebook app review by swiping left or right, and then swipe up the Facebook app to close it. And reopen the Facebook app from the home screen to check if it is working or not. And the next step is relog into Facebook. If restarting the app doesn't work, try logging out and then log back into your Facebook account. For this, open the Facebook app and then tap on the hamburger menu. Scroll down to the bottom and then tap on logout and you are done. And the next step is offload Facebook app. Unlike Android, iPhone users can't clear the app cache directly. Nevertheless, if the Facebook app is not functioning correctly, iPhone users can offload it. Offloading frees up storage space while saving documents and data. This action can solve the issue by removing problematic files but keeps your data intact. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and then tap on General. Scroll down and then tap on iPhone Storage. Next, scroll down and find and select the Facebook app, tap on it, and then finally tap on offload app. Remember that the app icon will remain on your home screen, allowing you to reinstall the app when you need it by tapping on it, and you are done. And the next step is update and reinstall the Facebook app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Facebook app to benefit from the newest features and bug fixes. For this, open the App Store. Next, tap on your profile at the top right corner. Scroll down to the upcoming updates section and look for Facebook. Tap update if it's available. If the app is up to date, then the newsfeed is still not loading. Try reinstallation. For this, delete or remove the app from your device by tapping and holding its icon. And then tap on remove app. Next, tap on delete app. And then tap on delete again to confirm and reinstall it from the App Store. And you are done. And the next step is ensure date and time settings are correct. Inaccurate date and time settings could result in synchronization problems with the Facebook app. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and then tap on General, and then tap on date and time, and then tap on Set Automatically Toggle button to turn it on, and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of a non-leading Facebook newsfeed, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.